Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nihat and I do a lot of fashion and styling videos. And today is yet another video of my floral series. So currently I'm doing a series on floral outfits which you can wear on different occasions. So I've done a couple of videos earlier. In fact, I've done 5 videos before this, and then up next I have this one, look today, which is this top. So it's black in color and it's got these floral print all over it, if you all can see. It's a t-shirt. This is one of my first expensive purchases because this is from Ralph Lauren, if you can see. And yeah, it's a cotton stretchy fabric, very comfortable. It's got 3/4 sleeves. And yeah, and it's got these buttons, which also has this embellishment, embossed Ralph Lauren logo, I guess. So that's the top, and to go with it I have these pair of denims. So these are like loose fit, slightly loose but straight fit kind of denim. So these are the jeans that I'm pairing with it. Pretty plain and basic, but then the fit is amazing. So I think this will go perfectly well with this top. And yeah, and then I have some cool accessories that I have selected to go with this. So let me just quickly put this on and then we shall accessorize this. Hi guys, so here I am with this outfit on. So that's the top. I love the floral print on it. It's so dainty, and like because it's autumn already, I think these colors would look amazingly well, for your autumn outfits. So that's to do with the top, and those are the jeans. That's the fit of the jeans. So yeah, so now that the outfit is on, let's accessorize it. So for the accessories to begin with, I have these bangles because it's black in color and it's got this flowers, and this also has these multicolored flowers. So I think this will go well with the outfit. So those are the bangles on. For the watch, I have this black colored watch. Again, black color, and this kind of matches. So that's with the watch. Now I have a twist. I had these earrings, which was a part of an Indian set, but I think this will look amazing with this because it has this black pearl down and these diamonds. So I'm gonna be pairing it with this. And then I also have a necklace which also has diamonds in them. So I think that will match with this. I'm just trying to create like a fusion look out of this. That's how the earrings look. It goes so well. It's going so well with this top. So there are earrings on, and then like I said about the necklace, so this is the necklace. That's how the necklace looks. See, now these earrings and this matches. Also because this has like a V-neck, I think this is looking amazing. And then finally I have a bunch of rings. Let me put this on. So those are the rings. Most of it is mid ring, and then this is like a full ring. And because it's white and black, it is matching the outfit. So that's how the accessories look. And yeah, for my hair, let me just do something with my hair and I'll be right back. So I've done my hair. I've just done center parting and I've tied this up, and it's like slightly puffy. So yeah, that's to do with my hair, and with that this look is done. So yeah, with that, this styling of this look is done. Please let me know in the comment how did you like this look, and turn the notifications on, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I shall see you all in the next one. Until then, bye.